गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू यू। आप सबको स्वागत करते हैं हम अपने इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज हम आप लोग के बीच क्लास 11th विषय भौतिकी की समय क्या है 1 घंटा, टोटल पूर्णांक क्या है 40 नंबर का झारखंड शैक्षिक अनुसंधान एवं प्रशिक्षण परिषद रांची वार्षिक परीक्षा 2023-24 का मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर का आंसर की हम लेकर आए हैं। मतलब 2023-24 का मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है क्लास 11th का, उसका क्या है ऑब्जेक्टिव का हम आंसर की लेकर आए हैं। ठीक है, तो नंबर 1 कर रहा है कि हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ बेस एस आई यूनिट्स आर देयर, 5, 10, 7, 9। तो राइट आंसर इसका होगा सी, 7। ए लाइट ईयर्स इज इक्वल टू 9.46 in 10 to the power 21, 9.46 in 10 to the power 13, 9.46 to 10 to the power 14, 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 इसका राइट आंसर होगा। द डायमेंशनल फार्मूला ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट इज, इसका सी नंबर आएगा। A person traveling on a straight line moves with uniform velocity v1 for some time and with uniform velocity v2 for the next equal time. The advantage velocity is given by B number। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एट द टॉप ऑफ द ट्रेजेक्टरी ऑफ द पार्टिकल द एक्सेलरेशन इज मैक्सिमम, मिनिमम, 0, डी, जी। 6 नंबर, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द एंगुलर वेलोसिटी वेक्टर इज along tangent to the circular path, inwards radius, the outwards radius, the axis of rotation। Right answer। The trajectory of the projectile is a hyperbola, parabola, a straight line, circle। Minimum number of the unequal vectors which can give 0 equivalent are 2, 3, 4, more than 4, 3। The friction force acting on a body at rest in plane, normal to the surface upwards, normal to the surface downwards, along the direction of the applied force, 0। Right answer 0। Two bodies of measurement masses 4 kg and 5 kg are acted upon to the same force if the acceleration of the latter body is 2 meter per second square, the acceleration of heavier body is 1.6 meter per second square। The mass of a body which is equal to the ratio of the force acting on the body to the acceleration product in the body is the gravitational mass, the electromagnetic mass, the internal mass, the inertial mass। Right answer D। What is the linear momentum of the gun and the bullet before firing? Large, small, 0, maximum, 0। Action and reaction act on the same body, are equal, act in the same direction, cancel each other, act on two different bodies, act on two different bodies। Which of the following is non-conventional force? Gravitational force, electrical force, magnetic force, force of friction। A body acted upon the force of 50 and distributed through a distance 10 meter in a direction, making an angle of 60 degree with the force. The work done by the force will be (250 joule). Which of the following principle is used by the ballet dancer during her performance? Conversion of mass, conversion of energy, conversion of linear momentum, conversion of the angular momentum। The moment of inertia of the body does not depend upon its different orientation of axis, nature of the distribution of mass, angular velocity, axis of rotation, angular velocity. Torque acting on a body is the rotational amount of mass, force, velocity, kinetic energy, force. The value of G becomes 0 at the height equal to the radius of Earth, the depth equal to the half the diameter of the Earth, the depth equal to the half of the radius of the Earth, the point in between the pole and the equator, the depth equal to half and diameter of the Earth. Gravitational potential energy will be maximum at the surface of Earth, center of Earth, infinity, anywhere. Infinity. The time period of an Earth satellite is circular orbit in independence of the mass of satellite, radius of its orbit, both the mass and the radius of the orbit, neither the mass of the satellite nor the radius of its orbit, the mass of satellite. The elastic energy stored per unit volume in the stretch wire is, इसका B number. The breaking stress for the wire of unit cross section is called tensional strength, Tanan Samarth. The viscosity of gases decreases with the increase in temperature, liquid increases with the increase in temperature, gases increases with the decrease in temperature, liquid decreases with the increase in temperature. D number. Water can rise up in the height h in a capillary tube. If the tube is cut to half its size, the water in the tube will overflow, not overflow, not rise, none of these, not overflow. A circular field of the area of cross section 60 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter square, support weight of 60 kg. What is the pressure extended to the pillar? A number 9.8 into 10 to the power 3. When water is heated from 0 degree C to 4 degree C, the volume of water remains the same, decreasing, increasing, none of these. Decreases. Ratio of coefficient of linear volume and area expansion is 1:3:2. The zeroth law of the thermodynamics leads to the concept of the internal energy, heat content, pressure, temperature. Which of the following option is the described Maer's formula? Cp minus Cv equal to R. First law of thermodynamics is given by A number. Average kinetic energy of molecules is directly proportional to the square root of the temperature, directly proportional to absolute temperature, independent of absolute temperature, inversely proportional absolute temperature, directly proportional to absolute temperature. A gas behaves as on an ideal gas at low pressure and low temperature, low pressure and high temperature, high pressure and low temperature, high pressure and high temperature, low pressure and high temperature. Which of the following functions represent a simple harmonic oscillation? D. A child swinging on a wing at the sitting position or stand up, then the time period of the swing will increase, decrease, remains same, none of these, decrease. A long spring of the stretch by the 2 km, its potential energy is V. If the spring is stretched by 10 km of the potential energy stored in it will be 20 B by 24, B by 25, B by 5, 5B, 25B. D. The phenomenon of the sound propagation is air is isothermal process, adiabatic process, isobaric process, isochloric process, adiabatic process. In a stretch testing, the frequency of the first harmonic, second harmonic, and the third harmonic are the ratio of 1:2:3. Which of the following waves can be transmitted through solid, liquid, and gases? Transverse waves, electronic waves, mechanical waves, longitudinal waves. Thank you.